Die Cutting Essentials Magazine number 51 is here from Practical Publishing, and wait till you see what's inside. Well, I guess this is going to give you a hint. So let me show you what's included. There are 9 cutting dies, and yes, you will now have a die to make pop-up cards. Really, really neat. Now, the way that this looks, I was a little puzzled at first. It's nice that there are flowers and butterflies. It's nice that there are tools. So you kind of have a masculine and a feminine look. I was trying to figure out how you would do this. Well, what happens is this is the front of it, and this is the flap that gets scored and connects to the next side. This is the flap. So when you're looking at this, this is the side and there are the flaps. Okay, so the flaps are wider, as you can tell. Then this piece is the piece that goes inside that holds the acetate that's going to allow your pieces to pop up and move around. Okay, got all that? Well, just in case you don't, there are instructions inside the magazine. So let me walk you through some of the things that I thought were really exciting about this issue. You can see that there are step-by-steps of how to put this together. It's showing you will want to use the 1/4 inch wide extra sticky tape. It's perfect for this. And you can see how that's going together. Just putting the tape on those side flaps, they get bent back. And then you can see right here, you can see that piece that you cut twice to go on the inside, and it will hold your acetate or any of the pieces that you want to have inside. So that's a nice benefit. Then we've got pop-up works, but not only pop-up cards, some other ideas, and that's what I appreciate about this. So also that you can make pop-ups like this. There's one of the examples. Here's another, so kind of folding them back to make a window there. There's another one. So just lots and lots of ideas, which I really do appreciate. Look at this. I never thought of doing that. You can do 2 of them, actually this is a whole box, and put on the inside of your card and let it fold shut. And still you're going to have those pieces popping out the top. Very nice, great idea. Now, this also has what's called, it's called a Masterclass, and it's called Pyramage Die Cutting. And what it is, and we've done this with stamping before, so you take one design and you do it multiple times and then layer them on top of each other. So it kind of creates a pyramid. So really nice. You can do it in lots of shapes and sizes. It's nice to have other ideas, and that's kind of why a magazine is so helpful. Here are some clever boxing, they're saying. So there's a lot of masculine. There it is on the inside of a card. Really, really clever. Cute to see those cutting the card for Father's Day, for a birthday, for anything. Nice to see some of the things on the front of it too. Good idea. And there's more. And all of the instructions they're complete. They are either in centimeters or inches. It just kind of depends on what the designer's preference was. And then we've got some other ideas using the contents in there. So that's really nice. So this is a brand new piece, and we're very excited to have it. And I'm happy to tell you we ordered extra stock, so everyone should get the exact one they want. And we love this from our friends at Practical Publishing all across the pond. Oh, I forgot to mention, by the way, these are exclusive to paperwishes.com.